Hold on, not yet.
Okay. Do you?
Okay. Start.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kevin. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Hey, bye-bye. Wish your birthday.
Kevin, you didn't make a wish, right?
What?
You didn't make a wish.
Okay, I make a wish.
Okay, take the candle out and then we can cut it.
Let me lick it.
You want to lick it, huh?
Hey, can I have a camel? Oh my goodness. Camel? What does this do anyway? It transforms into a robot. Really? Yeah. That's it? No. Look, it looks like someone planted mines here. Since there's holes. Doesn't it look like someone planted mines trying to blow up the sky?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can she take a picture of you? Where is she?
No, the cake, not.
Oh. Can I take it out? Take it out.
Take it out.
Oh, look at the tracks in that. Oh, see, look, that's the legs. Hey, Cassie, see how it transforms? I don't know how it transforms. Oh, that's just...
Kevin, you want to cut the cake?
No.
No?
Kids aren't supposed to handle knives, right, Robbie? I do it. I do. Yeah.
See? So Kevin, you can do it.
Once.
Okay, Kevin, you can do it now.
No.
No?
You do it.
We do it?
I'll do it. Can I have a napkin? I'll do it.
Okay, now I'm going to start.
Robert, can you get me a
before I
napkin?
can-
All over.